Howdy, I'm Helen Terry here at what I call the magic light moment at Soma Ranch right over here. Can you see that beautiful sun is setting? And I wanted to touch base. Hope you've had a lovely first week in 2024. Tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, I am teaching one of my favorite traditions, and that is the Brand New Day experience. It's to the entire Sting album, Brand New Day, and we get to play with seamless continuity. I love playing with that flow from one year to the next, and a time to meditate, to move, to flow with where we've been, gratitude for that, and really looking at what we want to be moving into for this next year. So join me in person here at Soma Ranch or online via Zoom or and with the 24-hour replay. We'd love to see you. Then the following week, we have Irene's amazing Feldenkrais Workshop. And I've got another wonderful conversation that we had with Irene earlier today that'll give you more information about that. In summary, um, it's a delicious somatic, meaning body-centered exploration of how to look at how to move smarter without having to figure everything out. That's how I would summarize it. So check out that other video. And then the following weekend, save the dates. The whole Rockstar team, my fellow teachers that have been teaching online with me for the whole past last year, we are meeting here at Soma Ranch for a retreat. And every day there's going to be a class in the morning at 10 o'clock, and there's going to be some extra classes at 5 o'clock in the evening. Again, in person, online via Zoom, and 24-hour replay. We'd love you to join us and entertain how you might be able to join us. So 3 things. Brand new day tomorrow. Following weekend on the Sunday, January 14th, Irene's Feldenkrais Workshop. And then the following weekend, great jams, which means collective classes and some special events here at Soma Ranch with the Rockstars. I wish you a wonderful weekend, whatever you choose to do. Do you like our Soma lights here in our back patio? I love that. And then here's the pool, which was my plunge pool today. And hope to see you here sometime in 2024. Be well.